अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू टुडेज़ वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि आप किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में बट ख़ास तौर पे एक देसी मैरिज में कैसे अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी मेंटेन कर सकती हैं एज अ वुमन इन अ कल्चर वेयर सो ऑफन वी आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू गिव अप everything other than our identity as someone's wife. I think ये सिनारियो हम सब ने बहुत कॉमनली देखा है जब शादी के बाद एक औरत से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वो कुछ भी ना करे, वो नौकरी भी ना करे, उसके पुराने दोस्त भी ना रहें, वो कोई हॉबीज़ भी परसू ना करे एंड ऑल शी शुड डू इज़ be at home. And the problem with that is that when you're sitting at home all day waiting for one person to come home and that person comes home at 9 p.m. and then goes out with their friends at 10 p.m. that can leave you feeling very empty. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारी सोसाइटी में स्पेशली बड़ी जनरेशन्स में औरतें ये चीज़ एडमिट कभी भी नहीं करती, बट देयर लाइव्स कैन सीम वेरी अनफुलफिलिंग। और उसकी वजह ये नहीं है कि उनका रिलेशनशिप एक्टिवली बुरा है, बट उसकी डेफिनेटली ये वजह है दैट दे काइंड ऑफ लूज देमसेल्व्स व्हेन देयर इन अ मैरिज. So if you're getting married, if you're newly married, if you've been married 10 years, whatever the scenario is, one thing I would really like to say is have a life and an identity outside being someone's wife. When you are fulfilled as a person, that's when you form healthy, fulfilling relationships. So that is very important. So how can you actually retain your individuality? ये सिनारियो इतना कॉमन है कि जैसे ही शादी होती है लड़कियों की दोस्तें ख़त्म हो जाती हैं, they stop spending time with their friends, whereas men may decrease spending time. Most men don't even do that, but even ones that do decrease, they still do meet their friends. And having friendships and emotional support outside of your relationship is so important. बजाय इसके कि आप अपने सारा emotional baggage एक इंसान पे dump करें, it's really important to have a healthy support system. So the friends that you already have in your life, do meet them, do talk to them, do keep those channels open with them. If you're at a point where you don't have that many old friends, they moved away or you moved away, it's also a good idea to actually make new friends. क्योंकि होता ही है जब आप घर पे हैं और आपके हस्बैंड दोस्तों के साथ बाहर हैं, you harbor a lot of resentment, and I think that's something both partners need to understand. दोस्तों के अलावा I think hobbies होना इंसान के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you have any old hobbies, don't let go of them. If you don't have any hobbies, it's always a good idea to pursue some new hobbies. एक तो hobbies आपको mentally satisfied रखती हैं, they keep you emotionally satisfied, and also they give you a sense of self. आपने एक स्वेटर बुन लिया है, आपने कोई कढ़ाई कर लिया, there's a feeling of accomplishment at the end of it. Next thing is having a career, and I don't think women should be forced to have careers when they don't want to, but the simple reality is कि जब आप दिन में 5-6 घंटे घर से बाहर जाते हैं, कॉलीग से मिलते हैं और काम करते हैं, you have an identity outside of being someone's wife. Now I understand not all women would want careers or not all women can have careers, but what you can do for example is volunteer somewhere. हफ्ते का 1 घंटा, महीने का 1 घंटा जो आप किसी चैरिटी के साथ वॉलंटियर कर सकते हैं. आप किसी गरीब बच्ची को कुरान पढ़ना सिखा सकते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल. समथिंग वेरी वेरी सिंपल. Again, it gives you a sense of accomplishment, it gives you something to do and think about other than your relationship and your home, because when you're sitting at home all day and all you think about is your relationship, of course when your husband comes home, he's had a busy day, he's thought about other things, so he might not be on the same level as you, in the sense that he might want to spend some time alone and that might frustrate you. He might want to spend some time with his friends, he might want to play PlayStation and that might frustrate you. Another thing you can do to give your sense of self a boost is learn something new. So you can learn a new skill, you can learn a new language, you can learn coding. मतलब इतना कुछ है दुनिया में. आप एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स कर सकते हैं, आप इन पर्सन कोर्स कर सकते हैं, मेकअप कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं. And the ultimate goal of learning a new skill again is to give you a sense of self and give you this feeling that you exist outside of your marriage as well. हमारे मेरी favorite चीज़ पे, which is me time. For me this is so important and I've seen so many women who just don't have any me time. Me time can be anything for us, and I just do the things that help me recharge my energies. This is so important because when you as a person are recharged, that's when you can give your best to other people around you. So anything that helps you recharge your energy and go back into the world basically is your me time. ये हर किसी के लिए different होता है. इसी से related अगली चीज़ है spending time away from each other. Now again, this is such a scary thing in our culture because especially a woman choosing to go on holiday with her friends or even going to her parents' house is looked at so negatively. But to establish is that wanting to or needing to spend time away from your partner does not mean you hate their guts. It just means it's इट जस्ट मीन्स एब्सेंस मेक्स द हार्ट ग्रो फॉन्डर। और होता ये है कि जब आप साथ रहते हैं द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ वेयर डू आई एंड एंड वेयर डज दिस पर्सन बिगिन बिकम रियली ब्लरी, यू नो, योर हॉबीज़ एंड इंटरेस्ट में बिकम वेरी सिमिलर, आपकी रूटीन एक जैसी हो जाती है। सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्पेंड टाइम अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर टू रियली फिगर आउट हु यू आर एंड वॉट यू लाइक टू डू एज अ person. Yeah, try to do some things independently even if it scares you a little initially. Final cheese is to set goals and challenges for yourself. Something that I feel is कि if I only think about my house task, every day feels like the same. आपने रोज़ सफाई करनी है, आपने रोज़ खाना पकाना है, खाने के बाद फिर बर्तन गंदे हो जाने हैं, फिर बर्तन साफ़ करने हैं. It's the same day on repeat. So what I try to do is I tell myself, okay, this month you're going to do this month you're going to do this training, this month you're going to plan this thing, this month you're going to do this project, and that really helps me give a sense of accomplishment. ताकि मेरी रोज़मर्रा की रूटीन जितनी भी मंडेन होती जाए, आई स्टिल हैव सम गोल्स टू फोकस ऑन. The final thing to remember is that in our culture there's this glorification of the sacrifice that women make as wives and mothers. Unfortunately you can bend yourself backwards for someone but इसका कोई इनाम नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. And I talk to so many women, I get messages from so many women, women who have careers and women who don't have careers, and there seems to be this sense of resentment, and the resentment actually stems from the fact that they are not encouraged to retain their sense of self. And I always say this, you don't always have to have a career in the traditional sense to be fulfilled. I know this video might be difficult to digest for some women who are used to looking at things a certain way. I know okay, it's not always the woman's fault that she's complaining that why is my husband always playing PlayStation. Unfortunately बहुत से घरों में लड़कियों को यही सिखाया जाता है, focus on your husband, at best you can give attention to your in-laws, and in-laws and husbands sometimes also demand this and actively discourage women from, you know, spending their time elsewhere. So it's not just the women who are at fault, it's society at large. पर सोसाइटी को बदलने का यही तरीका है कि हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करें, हम अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में बाउंड्री सेट करें, हम दूसरों को भी इनकरेज करें कि वो अपनी बाउंड्री सेट करें. और इफ़ यू आर अनमैरिड, माई इंटेंशन इज़ नॉट टू स्केयर यू फ्रॉम मैरिज. अनफॉर्चुनेटली द मैरिजेस दैट आई सॉ अराउंड मी ग्रोइंग अप seemed so suffocating to me that I never wanted to get married. But in my generation I've seen so many healthy relationships where both people thrive as individuals and they thrive as a couple, and that's something amazing. And that's definitely possible when you set clear boundaries and retain your own individuality despite your marital status. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you took something useful away from it. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.